हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। मैं अर्पिता इस वीडियो में आपके लिए लेकर आई हूँ एक नया टॉपिक। आइए फिर हम शुरू करते हैं। अगर आप कोई एग्ज़ाम्स की तैयारी कर रहे हो, चाहे वो एक कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम हो, लोअर कॉम्पिटिटिव हो या हायर कॉम्पिटिटिव हो या कोई एंट्रेंस एग्ज़ाम ही क्यों ना हो, ये वीडियो ज़रूर देखिएगा, हो सकता है आपके ये काम में आए। और आज का हमारा टॉपिक है इंटरनेशनल डेज़ के बारे में। आइए फिर हम देखते हैं साल में कितने इंटरनेशनल डेज़ होते हैं। वीडियो शुरू करने से पहले अगर आप मेरे वीडियो को पहली बार देख रहे हो तो प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिएगा और फिर बेल आइकन को ज़रूर प्रेस कीजिएगा ताकि आप कोई भी आने वाले अपडेट्स को मिस ना कर सकें। चलिए फिर शुरू करते हैं जनवरी से। 4 जनवरी वर्ल्ड ब्रेल डे। 24 जनवरी International Day of Education. 27 January International Day of Commemoration in memory of the victims of the Holocaust. The month of February. 6th February International Day of Zero Tolerance to Female Genital Mutilation. 10th February World Pulses Day. 11th February International Day of Women and Girls in Science. 13th February World Radio Day. 20 February World Day of Social Justice. 21 February International Mother Language Day. Month of March. 1st March Zero Discrimination Day. 3rd March World Wildlife Day. 8th March International Women's Day. 28th March International Day of Happiness. 21st March International Day for the Elimination of Racial Discrimination. And on the same day, 21st March World Poetry Day. 21st March International Day of Nowruz and World Down Syndrome Day and International Day of Forest. 22nd March World Water Day. 23rd March World Meteorological Day. 24th March World Tuberculosis Day and International Day for the Right to the Truth concerning gross human rights violation and the dignity of victims. 25th March International Day of Remembrance of the Victims of Slavery and the Transatlantic Slave Trade. And 25th March International Day of Solidarity with Detained and Missing Staff Members. In the month of April, 2nd of April World Autism Awareness Day. 4th April International Day for Mine Awareness and Assistance in Mine Action. 5th April International Day of Conscience. 6th April International Day of Sports for Development and Peace. 7th April International Day of Reflection on the 1994 genocide in Rwanda. And 7th April is World Health Day. 12th April International Day of Human Space Flight. 18th April International Day for Monuments and Sites. 21 April, World Creativity and Innovation Day. 2 April, Earth Day. 23rd April, World Book and Copyright Day. 24 April, International Day of Multilateralism and Diplomacy of Peace. 25th April, International Delegates Day and 25th April, World Malaria Day. 26th April, International Chernobyl Disaster Remembrance Day and 26th April, World Intellectual Property Day. 28th April, World Day for Safety and Health at Work. 29th April, Day of Remembrance for all victims of chemical warfare and 29th April, International Dance Day. 30th April, International Jazz Day. In the month of May, 1st May, International Workers' Day. 2nd of May, World Tuna Day. 3rd May, World Press Freedom Day. The first Sunday of May is celebrated as World Laughter Day. 8 to 9 May, time of remembrance and reconciliation for those who lost their lives during the Second World War. Second weekend in May, World Migratory Bird Day is celebrated. International Day of Families is celebrated on 15th May. 16th May, International Day of Living Together in Peace, and 16th day is International Day of Light. 17th May, World Telecommunication and Information Society Day. 20 May, World Bee Day. World Tea Day and World Day for Cultural Diversity for Dialogue and Development are celebrated on 21st May. 22nd May, International Day for Biological Diversity. 23rd May, International Day to End Obstetric Fistula. 29th May, International Day of Union Peacekeepers. 31st May, World No Tobacco Day. In the month of June, 1st June, Global Day of Parents. 3rd June, World Bicycle Day. 4th June, International Day of Innocent Children Victim of Aggression. 5th June, World Environment Day and International Day for the Fight Against Illegal, Unreported and Unregulated Fishing. 7th June, World Food Safety Day. 8th June, World Oceans Day. 12th June, World Day Against Child Labor. 13th June, International Albinism Awareness Day. 14th June, World Blood Donor Day. 15th June, World Elder Abuse Awareness Day. 16th June, International Day of Family Remittance. 17th June, World Day to combat desertification and drought. 18th June, Sustainable Gastronomy Day. 19th June, International Day for the Elimination of Sexual Violence in Conflict. 20th June, World Refugee Day. 21st June, International Day of Yoga, and 21st June, International Day of the Celebration of Socialtic. 23rd June, United Nations Public Service Day and International Widow Day. 25th June, Day of the Seafarer. 26th June, International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking. 26th June, United Nations International Day in support of victims of torture. 27th June, Micro, Small, Medium-Sized Enterprises Day. 29th June, International Day of the Tropics. 30th June, International Asteroid Day, and 30th June is International Day of Parliamentism. In the month of July, World Population Day. 15th July, World Youth Skills Day. 18th July, Nelson Mandela International Day. 28th July, World Hepatitis Day. 30th July, International Day of Friendship and World Day Against Trafficking in Persons. In the month of August, 9th August, International Day of the World Indigenous People. 12th August, International Youth Day. 19th August, World Humanitarian Day. 21st August, International Day of Remembrance and Tribute to the Victims of Terrorism. 23rd August, International Day for the Remembrance of the Slave Trade and its Abolition. 29th August, International Day Against Nuclear Test. 30th August, International Day of the Victims of Enforced Disappearance. In the month of September, 5th September, International Day of Charity. 8th September, International Literacy Day. 10th September, World Suicide Prevention Day. 12th September, United Nations Day for South Cooperation. 15th September, International Day of Democracy. 16th September, International Day for the Preservation of the Ozone Layer. 21st September, International Day of Peace. 23rd September, International Day of Sign Language. 26th September, International Day for the Total Elimination of Nuclear Weapons. 27th September, World Tourism Day. 28th September, World Rabies Day And 28th September, International Day for Universal Access to Information. 30th September, International Translation Day. In the month of October, 1st October, International Day of Older Persons. 2nd October, International Day of Nonviolence. 5th October, World Teachers' Day. 9th October, World Post Day. 10th October, World Mental Health Day. 11th October, International Day for the Girl Child. 13th October, International Day for Disaster Reduction. 15th October, International Day of Rural Women. 15th October, Global Hand Washing Day. 16th October, World Food Day. 20 October, World Statistics Day is celebrated on every 5 years, the year which is divisible by 5. 24 October, United Nations Day, and 24 October, World Development Information Day. 27th October, World Day for Audiovisual Heritage. 31st October, World Cities Day. And in the month of November, 2nd November, International Day to End Impunity for Crimes Against Journalists. 5th November, World Tsunami Awareness Day. 6th November, International Day for Preventing the Exploitation of the Environment in War and Armed Conflict. 10th November, World Science Day for Peace and Development. 14th November, World Diabetes Day. 16th November, International Day for Tolerance. The third Thursday in the month of November is World Philosophy Day. The third Sunday in November, World Day of Remembrance for Road Traffic Victims. 19th November, World Toilet Day. 20 November, Africa Industrialization Day. And 20 November is Universal Children's Day. 21st November, World Television Day. 25th November, International Day for the Elimination of Violence Against Women. In the month of December, 1st December, World AIDS Day. 2nd December, International Day for the Abolition of Slavery. 3rd December, International Day of the Persons with Disabilities. 5th December, International Volunteer Day for Economic and Social Development. 5th December, World Soil Day. 7th December, International Civil Aviation Day. 9th December, International Day of Commemoration and Dignity of the Victims of the Crime of Genocide and of the Prevention of this Crime. 9th December, International Anti-Corruption Day. 10th December, Human Rights Day. 11th December, इंटरनेशनल माउंटेन डे। 18th December, International Migrant Day. 28th December, International Human Solidarity Day. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग फ्रेंड्स। अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आए तो प्लीज़ लाइक, शेयर और कमेंट ज़रूर कर दीजिएगा।